Number 1. Set goals. If you don't know what you are aiming for, how do you plan to get there? Mature and responsible people set clear goals. Goal setting allows you to target your energy and focus on activities that will help push you towards what you want to achieve. Number 2, practice self-control. Learning how to control your actions and your emotions is a sign of maturity. When you let your emotions control your actions, things can get out of hand quickly. Learning to analyze and manage your behavior can be challenging but transformative. Number 3, stay persistent. Maturity is a marathon, not a sprint. To become mature and responsible takes commitment and persistence. Embracing personal growth will help give you the motivation you need to work hard and chase your goals. Number 4, respect other people's opinion. People have different views on different topics. Respecting the beliefs and viewpoints of others without judgment is a sign that you are understanding. Even if you don't agree with someone's opinion, giving them the courtesy to hear them out shows that you are mature and open-minded. Number 5, build self-confidence. It takes a strong sense of self-confidence to manage all of the moving parts to a successful life. Never underestimate what you are capable of. And love yourself for who you are. A great way to gain confidence is to do things that are outside of your comfort zone. Number 6, take ownership. Instead of taking responsibility, many people look for other places to lay blame for their circumstances. Recognizing failure as an opportunity to learn and grow will give you the right attitude and will teach you how to be a stronger person. Number 7, listen more. Most people tend to treat conversation like a competitive sport, but this approach is the opposite of the one you should be taking. Listening is a sign of maturity because when you listen, you develop a greater understanding. Number 8, avoid negativity. Negativity creates a range of emotions that are not going to help you grow. Mature and responsible people usually err on the side of positivity. Positivity will help you get through difficult situations and overcome the obstacles life is bound to throw at you. Number 9. Make sacrifice. A sign of maturity is being responsible enough to make sacrifices for the good of others or for the future without any resentment. Responsible people understand that sometimes gratification needs to be delayed now in order to attain a future outcome. Number 10. Give back. Giving back is the ultimate sign of maturity. When you give back your time, knowledge, or effort to other people, it shows that you have reached a place where you can afford to shift